Good day, everyone. My name is Ola Momoni, a prospective MMM guardian from MMM Guardian School, batch 2017 0714, Group 8. And we want to talk about MMM ideology, how it works, the rules, and the benefit of MMM. But before I proceed, I would like to tell you the meaning of MMM. MMM means Mavrodi Mondal Movement, and MMM is a global self-managed community by participants aimed in providing each other financial help on the principle of pointlessness, exchange, and goodwill. Also, MMM is a global community of finance aid, donation exchange. It's a social network that connects the one who want to donate money with the one who want to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system, on no central account. It will not collect your money. Okay. Brief fact about MMM. MMM Global started in 2011 as a new project of Sergio Mavrodi in Eastern Europe to create a new fair financial order as a world mature aid fund community, primarily to help people become financially independent. What we are trying to say here, Mavrodi organized this to help people, to make people to be financially free. That's what it means here. And now its voluntary network is a community of millions of people from many countries worldwide. Since 2011, it's now 6 years of activity, and in several billions of dollars assistance have been provided from this MMM Global. Number one, donation exchange program. MMM gives a technical basic problem which help millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. How does it work? When you declare a willingness to give help by providing help in your PO, your personal office, your account will be credited with Mavro. And this is how it will show when you log into MMM portal. We have the provide help and we have the get help. When you want to provide help, you click on the green button which stated provide help. Why something will pop up that will help you to log in the amount you want to donate. And Mavro is the internal currency of system. Mavro amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice in a week, that is Tuesday and Thursday every week. You say you have announced willingness to assist 1,000. For instance, if you want to provide the help of 1,000 naira and your 30% monthly is 300 naira, at the end of the month you are collecting 1,300 naira. Your 1,000 that you donated, and the 300 naira interest, that is 30% of it, make it 1,300 naira at the end of the month. I don't think any business can give you 30% monthly. Benefit of this: we are offering a mature aid program with 30% growth per month for your donation, growth of Mavro per month. You provide help and you receive 30% every month. Let's talk about registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receive a bonus in the amount of $20 if your donation is from within $50 to $499, and you get $50 bonus if your donation is within $500 to $2,999, while you get $100 if your donation is from $3,000 and above. Referral program. when we're talking about referral program, you see, you can even increase your money, the referral by referring people. The more you refer people, the more you get more bonus. And on each person you refer, you get 10% from all donation of the participant you invited. Invite new member from the community is your additional contribution to its development. 10% referral bonus. This is what you just need to do. Get more people. Beware of the risks. The risks in MMM. MMM is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange, though MMM only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to a recipient. Therefore, in order that the mature aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community consistently work to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mature assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back. Donate only spare money. However, for many years of operation, we have proven the system reliability, and MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more suitable and beneficial. At this junction, I would like to come to an end, and I'm telling you that join MMM, register, and you make 30% on your money at the end of the month. Presently, MMM is building a team in Nigeria. Come and join us by clicking the link below. My name is Olaonipekun Momuni. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.